Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Right. Now, types of fundoplication and their wrap. If we see the type of fundoplication and the versus the degree of wrap. So, if we see this first, if it is Watson's, we have different fundoplications and different degrees of wraps. Okay, this is very important. First, Watson's fundoplication has 90 degrees anterior wrap, whereas Dodd's fundoplication is a 180 degrees anterior fundoplication. Taupet's fundoplication is actually a 180 degrees posterior fundoplication, which is modified to 270 degrees wrap. Now, Wellesley Mark IV is a 270 degrees anterior fundoplication, whereas Nissen's fundoplication is 360 degrees fundoplication is Nissen's fundoplication. So this table is very important.
thank you and thank you for watching.